factory na na do dan ko fo ado eboa he so wo be ka ya Alecha Kwajo Machiramatin Echo Hop and Uncle be factory nano. Enti MPP abain eso Reni Mahama Asene. Enti Yabona Baswa le Sefata, Yabona Baso. Now Mesre Gan was said, what can you man another for APP and in Yamapa or Yam? Uma NDC for Nadamo. Of course, it's so long demonstration. Where said Ghana for up NDC for Papa. Because you are Mahama Tano, no focus one ton Mama Heu. No first time I said Ghana Bottom, I'm chilling and I can't afford a walk. And not really for a piano, a man a boss of 1.5. Now, me yes, she was 2024, no one almost added the paper. And we give him a password bar. The best of Bonishuriano because one of the I asked you that how I found your Bonishuriana and then this one to the death also the cocoa or cocoa to swap or in some or winning as well the cocoa. It can afford more money now. You from who is Suda, the Rebecca or your cocoa.
Okay, all right. Midas, my main I couldn't film chat to any of our course, no fancy, our Hanum Sian opinion. Sorry, so na yanko. Hello.
The wise men of our time, no. And Uncle Mu use Nyansa. Omu use him, dear no claim so they have no. And Uncle de Bua Ghana. And also de Buam Bushi and Omo de Buam community and Kagana Konenim. You know my problem with Ghanaian elites? They only know how to talk. Ghana for elites, no. Omo Mako school, no. Domini Mane Kasa. Chop it. Ya no de. What the chance in a manner or Kohwa or you're worse than the first person that was there. And now no power we miss me boo food. Now me boo food because me person will be a or Katechia free fano and number nani page tagino. Captain Smart tagino. Avram Bemoshe tagino. I'm telling you this because I know what I just saw. And now papa my video be na me both na afuno me just say me ho tie me no. I had to come for 30 minutes and to lay certain things straight. Then no other than say me attack sa kwasiafo free fan Captain Smart ne say Jimmy for we no. Other than me attacking them, I'm going to attack the ordinary Ghanaian citizen. Ghana for no be my Jimmy Doto. Ghana for no be mama kwai ma yedemo say yedemo Jimmy. Ghana for mama mo ho kwai Emma NDC MPP mempe na nado asem mempe mahama asem mempe si edun kete asem mempe ba wumi asem no mama enu na fama dwene mankwasiafo bi afase edi milk Ghana dry, and it pains me. You understand? It pains my heart. Say Ghana need to ho na ni nua Ghana ni abeka asem akere no na asem obeka kere no ote opefe onim se enyampa. Now, so I say me when people, even those saying I'm Panamediadi. Me when this, even those saying I'm Panamediadi, Namadia propaganda. But in any case, yeah, propaganda, yeah, all these years. Etusumo propaganda secretary now they are dealing now. Where did it reach us? Where did we go? Where did we get to? Ghanaians, don't be stupid. The people of Ghana, do not be stupid. We have had a first regime. Don't allow a second A+ in our body of politics again. Ghana for we have allowed A+ Jimmy part 1. Mama another Jimmy for be part 2. Bio mama former Jimmy no mo Jimmy so mo one and mama that Ghanaian citizen. And that many some kwasia for me and say we stupid fool dumb for we. Avam Jimmy Moshe, Avan Bayfo Moshe, and Susman, 2 million epemogentino, on Jimmy Nancy Bia, Mebauso. It took me a while, but your time will come. Avram Foolish Moshe, yes, my name is Felix Apia. I'm calling you, and I'm not calling you for fame, but I'm calling you to tell you, say, that your so-called common sense is the dumbest sense that can ever be found. Are you listening to me? You, this stupid Avambe Moshe, your stupidity, you cry the one with Jimmy and Boro Bio Dinasa platform. So But it is sad, say, when you have few tricks be, as if you care about Ghana, as if you say Ghana Koswama, and I would they say Ghana. There be a compare was someone, and now certain people who me chinti. No, my country, so boy, any day, Jano, boy, any day, Jano. There be a Steve, yes, or be a one, me pay Jesus, me Jim. No, my cousin, there be. But my who says, Jimmy, now open so with Jimmy Ghana for. About stupid Moshe. Avram Ben why Jimmy Nikwasi Penny Bear. I'm telling you this. If you are a man, motherfucker, go take care of your stupid kids. That's one. Utie, Avram stupid Ben Moshe.
People to even categorize you. Which time will be a no ye penny A plus no ye penny. Avram no ye penny. Captain Smart grandpa. I'll send this on Gwenny Kakano. But I come to say cross over here. Oh, one of them on the crunch, I can't move Jimmy. Was circumstance will be a banner penny, watch the generals of Umia Bar, Bana, or Twitter, and Caljon, or two phones, so now they would work a sacrum point in our camp. Okay, can't still be brain here, or that's a street when you guys just some of you just want to come live, just to come and talk for people to watch you. Charlie, Ghana pass the oh, Charlie. The nation can never be built based on this mere and stupidity of some of the youth. The Munya Sadamana across Ghana Hono. And then young guy before Funa, no Yakufodo, no Yaba or Yamahama, no Yaway, no NDC, no NPP. So you guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government to give you a job. Fine, there are certain things the government must do. They must fix the roads. Fine. That one definitely no. And any the government must fix the roads. The government must fix the roads. We understand that. They must fix the security system. Promo say you may book America 10 to 15% per NIA government via public via. Nyaka individuals and companies they set it up. We can do the same thing in our nation Ghana. Ghana for more America, more Germany, more together. Now more set up something. More can be you among Ghana for good also. But there's no country to Ghana for you. Ghana for baby Ghanaians are everywhere. We can do that. We can build a nation ourselves. We don't have to wait for any political party. We give this party 4, 5 years, 8 years on bar. We feel like they're disappointing us. Then we wait for the next one to come. The same method. But by the time we realize no, we wouldn't be able to achieve our aims. Timmy catch on September. Oh my God, Murphy. Strong. And she's saying so. So the Munyai. Because my person, I know your pa, but so and then the idea said most of you claim to be Christians. Most of you also claim to be Muslims. I don't pass a Corona church say many penny bupani. I don't say Bible church say many penny bupani. But because of politics, and Timothy be politics, be some more politics. Be piano abusing Ghana, be piano abusing Africa. And I'm politics like Jimmy Musa, youth amoba. When I'm saying future generation, future leaders. And I'm what they call no. Or be a phone no ye penny. They just take their phones, they come live. Number live. It's very funny. They have people following you, whatever you guys are saying. Then I have a crow man. And then you are sending Jimmy Seminole. And then you are sending Jimmy Seminole. Now, all can you say, man, I see about online? No, no, man, I see a comment. To say, Jimmy say, Jimmy. If you're going through hardship, must you come out this way? Say, you might we are school, you know, what you're banner, a banner, said, be beer buying. Be beer buying. The cockans almost saying, to tell Butcher, and Yahonia Casa, Yametragana. Jimmy Sam say, and August will be able to come America, has say, Nippon buy because of a hardship now. Some of us say, wow, you were Jim Ghana and Crawford. Yes, I school school. Yes, even though it's say, no, we are citizens, so, but we don't plan to stay here. You plan to have a town in Ghana. And Chadia is upon and yes, you swing idea be a normal air common. You swing near Ghana, you buy a terrible man. The Benamo Mobacromo say, the Moon must be to say, Moon Ghana who be. Some of you come here, you don't think about Ghana again, you just want to live your life. You just want to have your house be in Ghana and your car be quite fantastic. You don't plan to go to school.